Hi guys, so I am super excited about today's video. I've wanted to do customs for a really long time now, but to be honest, I've been way too scared to do it. That is until I saw Bruce from What's Popping Bruce's video, where he made Madam Hooch and Narsissa Malfoy custom pops. And yeah, he made it look really easy, and that kind of just gave me that boost to kind of try it out myself. So yeah, thanks a lot, Bruce. So because I don't have a lot of faith in myself when I start something out, when I do something for the first time, I really doubt myself, always. So because of that, I have bought 2 pairs. Just for in case. I got these from Take-A-Lot and they were really inexpensive. Like Bruce's video, he used M from 007's head for Madam Hooch and the body for Narsissa. And this body really does work very well. I think it's the second last movie she actually has an outfit really similar to this one. So yeah, I think she's going to look super awesome. And then he used, for the body for Madam Hooch, he used Wool from Stranger Things, Wool the Wise, he used that one. And the head for Narsissa, he used Yara Greyjoy. So I wasn't able to get those 2 pops, so I got Anna instead. And I think head-wise, for Narsissa Malfoy, she has a bit of a fringe, and I really like the braid at the back, and I think to have the two-tone is gonna look really nice on this side. And yeah, then her body, I think this body is super awesome for Madam Hooch, because it kind of looks like that moment in the movie where they say up. It's kind of, it gives me that type of feel. So yeah, I think I'm going to play with that hand a bit and maybe have the broom in some way look like it's floating up, or maybe put it in her hand already. So yeah, I'll see how that pans out. So I have the water boiling, so I'm just gonna prepare my surface with a nice towel, and then I will take these ones apart. Okay guys, so I have this boiling hot pot. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop these in. This feels really awkward and really wrong, like I'm committing a crime or something. But yeah, let's see, here we go. And I'm basically just gonna keep them in there for about 5 minutes and see if I can get them. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes. They feel pretty, like you can squish their heads. Just be careful with this part because they are very hot. So yeah. Yeah, so if you see there, it's the glue. You don't want to push it too far. Because obviously you don't want this whole thing to come out. Yeah. So like there, you can actually see the glue. And it's really weird, this body and the head is super neat now. So yeah, this one you can just, oh, this is not coming off. I'm just gonna put it in the water for a bit more. I think this one is I think this one is full of water, to be honest. I think, yeah, it is. Yeah. This is very weird. This is pink, oh, purple on the inside, which is very strange in a way. So this one is really stuck in here. There we go. Okay guys, so this one is not gonna work. This thing doesn't wanna come out of here at all. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to work with it like that. So yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. Guys, so I am ready to start painting. I don't really have a plan of what I'm going to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna wing it as I go. Okay, so as a reference, I'm using this image for Narsissa Malfoy. I really like the texture on this dress. So I'm gonna try and play with this type of design. And yeah, the rest is just the rest. And then this one is going to be the one from Madam Hooch. I really like the white and the black. So this is basically her outfit at games when she's a referee, and then this one is when she was teaching them, which is really nice too. So I also like the blue. So yeah, with this one, I'll have to see if I might do a bit of both. So maybe make this blue or bluish. And then if we look at that one, and then do this black and the inside white. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys a time lapse of the painting stage. I'm going to do the bodies at the same time. I think the heads are going to take me a bit longer, so I'm just going to do them one at a time. Okay guys, so I am so sorry, I didn't realize that my battery died. I was so in the zone that I didn't check. I usually check if the camera is still on or not, especially if I'm doing long videos like this one. But yeah, I was so much in the zone that I didn't realize that my battery had died. So I'm so sorry that you guys won't see the whole process of the painting. So my next step is I've painted all of them, and I am now putting the neck part in hot water. So that is just for me to get the body back into the head part. So it just makes it a bit easier because I can't put these in water again. So just a minute or so, and you just kind of dry it like really well. And then you pop it back. Oh, it's the wrong way around. And then you pop it back in. And there you go. So I'm going to do that with all of them. And it's as easy as that. So all of their neck parts are back in. I'm just going to let them stand for a tiny bit just to make sure that if there's any water left on these parts, that can just dry before I super glue them. So yeah, there is one thing that kind of bothers me a tiny bit, is the fact that the necks of these two bodies are very different. So this one is very thick, so you kind of have to push it through a lot to get where it should be so that it doesn't pop off again. And this one is very loose. So yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work in the end. But yeah, that is something that is a bit different. So yeah. So next we're gonna do the accessories. So obviously these two are gonna get brooms and these two have to get wands. So yeah, to make these, I'm gonna make them 100% myself, and I'm gonna use Fimo polymer clay. My mom and I went to a polymer clay class, I think about 20 years ago, and I haven't really worked with it since. So yeah, I have to rack my brain to remember everything. I'm not going to do a whole video on how I did the Fimo clay. I'll show you a short time lapse of what I did, but yeah, I'm not going to do a whole video on it. If you guys want to see something like that, you can just let me know and then I can maybe work that in at some point. But yeah, working with polymer clay in general is a lot of fun and you can really do anything you want to. So yeah. Okay guys, so I've baked these. I kind of forgot that after you take it out of the oven, it's still bendable. So this little wand went a bit skew. So yeah, just a mental note, it is still super bendable after it comes out of the oven. You have to let it cool down completely. So yeah, this is what this little guy, how it looks. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I think it looks pretty much like a broom should. I was a bit shaky, so so it is, yeah, it's not perfect, but yeah, I am really happy with how this one came out. And then this little part I will stick to the broom, as that is the part where you put your feet on. So yeah, I'm going to paint this gold, and I'm going to try my best to write numbers 2000 on there. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is definitely not going to work. It's too loose and her head is basically tilting to the one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some super glue at the bottom here. Unfortunately, this pop you won't be able to move her neck around. So basically the way she's standing is going to be the way she's standing. So yeah, that is unfortunate, but it's fine. Okay guys, so this is what Madame Hooch looks like. I'm really happy with how she came out. Out of the two, I like her the most. So yeah, the highlights in her hair looks really cool. I love her outfit, and the shoes as well. The broom, yeah, it came out exactly like I wanted it, except for the gold. I used a gold pen to do the gold on the broom, and you should actually only use acrylic paint on polymer clay. So I didn't know that, so I had to kind of adjust it a bit and put some varnish over it because it stays tacky. So yeah, so just a note for you guys. But yeah, I'm really happy with how she came out. She looks pretty awesome, and I think she is going to look awesome in my Quidditch display. Then guys, this is what Narsissa Malfoy looks like. Yeah, I'm not too happy with her face. Yeah, if you do customs, try not to paint their faces because it's really difficult, and it doesn't come out right really. So yeah, the rest of the paint looks awesome, but yeah, the face, not too happy about that. So yeah, other than that, I really like how she came out. I think from a distance she's going to look really cool in my dark arts display next to Mr. Malfoy. And yeah, I am fairly happy with how she came out. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, as well as follow me on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below or send me a direct message in Instagram. I hope you guys have an awesome week. And remember guys, the orders for the limited edition Harry Potter merch boxes are closing on Wednesday night. So please get your orders in before then. The quicker you guys get your orders in, the quicker I can complete these boxes. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I will see you next week.